Several houses were firebombed early this morning in central Kingston. It's understood that while residents were trying to save their belongings, gunmen opened fire to prevent them from doing so. Cody Barrett reports.
Horror for residents of Smith Lane and James Street in central Kingston. They were awakened by screams of fire around 5 Monday morning.
The lady next door calling out for car burn. And when I get up, I smell it and I wake up my daughter and my grandson and say, fire, fire. And when I open the door and come out, I say, up at the top in flames. And then she run out and say, bad word, a fire this.
6 houses were destroyed and 4 others damaged.
There are about 30 people, it looks like, who are homeless right now. Could be more. And of the 30, there are about 8 or so who are elderly. There are about 12 or so who are children, ranging from, 18 months to about 16. And preparing for back to school and just completely traumatized.
Amid the confusion caused by the fires, a barrage of gunshots rang out, forcing residents to take cover.
And the people them start coming for help way. And then me run out of shit, and when me run out of shit, me start to hear peer gunshot, and a man alone said to me, say, Mommy, don't go cross. And me lean back on one next door wall and say, Lord, help me, Lord, help me. Dead dog. Same time me say, where the fireman, where the police, and no police, no fireman, till about quarter to 5.
The things up on the road or next door, and I don't know what to do. So I just go in the bathroom and lock the door. I hear me and lock the door. I mean, I go and chat till I go on, and I couldn't come out.
The PMP caretaker for Central Kingston, Imani Duncan Price, says residents are fearful it will happen again.
Because they've been told that it's not over. This is following on last week, Tuesday, where there was a complete gunfire from between Wildman Street and Smith Lane last week, Tuesday. The police were on spot, thank God, so nobody died. But the police were also under fire from the man them.
The affected residents said they lost all their possessions and are in desperate need of assistance.
I'm asking for the mayor of Kingston, who has the resources to call upon the trucks to help to clear the land, because there are young men here who help to rebuild, but we need to clear the land. They will help too. I'm asking for the relief programs to come and help them with mattresses, with food, a little cash today, so that people can just have something to eat, because their money burned up in their homes. These are hardworking Jamaicans, literally.
Cody Barrett for TVJ News.